Some YouTubers claim that if you upload your videos through the YT Studio or the YouTube app, you won't get a lot of views, except you use the Google Chrome desktop YouTube version before you will get a lot of views. They further claim that before you upload your videos, you should rename or change the file name as well as the thumbnail file name before uploading it. I need you to know that doing any of these things does not affect your views in any way, be it positively or negatively. Doing any of these things doesn't mean you are going to get more views, or if you don't do it, you are going to get less views. Truth is, YouTube created the YT Studio, then created the YouTube app, then created the Google Chrome desktop YouTube version. So why would they now choose to make one superior to the other? There is no logic in that. But when this whole uploading your videos through Google Chrome, rename the name of your file before uploading it started trending, I tried it. I mean, it's YouTube Street. Anything worth trying is worth trying, all right? And nothing changed. In fact, I decided to do the opposite of what they were teaching, and as you can see, this video here went ahead to get above 1,000 views. As you can see, this is the file name, and here it is vacant, and the title of the video, and another of my video got 1,000 views. Here is the space for the file name, which is vacant, and here is the title of the video, and here is one of the videos I renamed the file name. As you can see, here is the title, and then I used Google Chrome to upload the video, and the video didn't do so well. Anyways, you can go ahead and rename your videos and rename your thumbnails before uploading it, all right? Just do all of these things to maximize your chances of going viral. So how then is the right way to upload your video? If your video is less than 8 minutes long, just use YT Studio or YouTube app to upload. Keep the video on private or unlisted just so you can optimize your SEO and then hit public. Then, if your video is 8 minutes and above, use Google Chrome to upload your videos, because Chrome shows you all the features from YT Studio and YouTube app for optimization, even more features like the end screen feature as well as the manual mid-row ad feature. Now, here are the 3 things that actually make your videos get views. 3 of them. 1, the title of your video. 2, the description of your video, and 3, the thumbnail of your video. See, the title and description of your videos form what is called metadata, which is the information that the algorithm works with to recommend your videos whenever people are searching for the content that you have created. That is why even a brand new channel with 0 subscribers can post a video and get thousands of views. Why do you think that is?
So if we look at this video right here, let's scroll down to video performance. If you click on impression click-through rate, let's take it back. Impression click-through rate. Now you can see here it says, well done, people on YouTube are choosing to watch this video more often than usual. An impression click-through rate is 6.1%. Now, one thing that makes people click on your video first is the thumbnail of the video. Truth be told, when people see your video, the first thing they see is the thumbnail before they even look at the title of the video. Yes, so make sure that the thumbnail of your video is catchy, and then it indicates something that will catch the attention of the people and to also make them click, because it is looking attractive, bright, beautiful, and simple at the same time. Now, if we go deeper into this video and we come to how viewers find this video. Now, this is the thing. Did you hear that? How viewers find this video. Now you can see that the first way they found this video is through browse features, then other YouTube features, then suggested videos, then direct or unknown, and then others. Now you can see that what they are saying here, they're not mentioning whether you uploaded your video through YT or through YouTube Studio or through Chrome or anything. No, it is saying browse features. And now if you scroll down here, you can see it shows Google search. Now the reason why they are able to find this video, like search for this video and find it, it's because of the title of the video and then the description of the video, because those things are called metadata. That is the only thing that the algorithm works with. So the algorithm doesn't care about who you are, where you're from, or how you uploaded the video. No, the only thing the algorithm cares about is what is in the title of your video, the words that you have spoken in your video, and then what is in the description of your video. That is all the algorithm works with. So if somebody is searching for your video wherever in the world, and the words that the person is typing wherever they are typing it, matches with what is in the title of your video and then in the description of your video, the algorithm will pull your video to them. The algorithm will suggest your video to them, and that is how you get millions and thousands of views. Yes, you also boils down to the fact that if the person gets to watch your video long enough, like the video, maybe subscribe to your channel and comment on your video, it even gives the algorithm a lot of information that yes, this person likes this video, therefore we should push it further.